Father sent His saving plan. A baby came to break the night. Hope has come through Jesus Christ. Hope has come through Jesus Christ. Grace and mercy sacrificed. Heaven open wide its light. Hope has come through Jesus Christ. Angels fill the sky above, singing of His endless love. Shepherd hearts were filled with light. Hope has come through Jesus Christ. Hope has come through Jesus Christ. Grace and mercy sacrificed. Heaven open wide its light. Hope has come through Jesus Christ. Proclaim, lift up high His holy name. Peace and joy forever shine. Hope has come through Jesus Christ.
The snow is falling on a town that doesn't know my name. Different streets, unfamiliar lights, but Christmas feels the same. I hear a song from far away, an old familiar tune. It carries me back home again on this cold December moon. People pass with shopping bags, laughing as they go. I smile, but deep inside my heart there's a place I long to know. Mama's voice, my father's prayer, the table set just right. Those memories walk beside me here on this Christmas night. It's Christmas far from home tonight, but hope is keeping me alright. Though miles and years stand in between, love still knows where I have been. Under these stars so far away, I whisper prayers and hold on tight. It's Christmas far from home tonight. church on a quiet street has candles burning low. I step inside and bow my head, let the silent mercy flow. The story of that holy child born with nowhere to lay his head reminds me I'm not alone tonight, no matter where I'm led. He left his home in heaven's light to walk this broken land, so every heart could find a home within his gentle hand. It's Christmas far from home tonight, but hope is keeping me alright. Though miles and years stand in between, love still knows where I have been. Under these stars so far away, I whisper prayers and hold on tight. It's Christmas far from home tonight. When morning comes and bells will ring, this truth will guide me through. No road is ever too far gone when Christmas leads me back to you.